The DEH-33HD's built-in HD tuner has a ton of features. Let's check in with Harry Kroll to learn more.
The DEH-33HD features HD radio. HD radio offers high-quality audio in both AM and FM broadcasts and multicasting in FM. Let me show you some of the features in the function menu to help you get the most out of your new HD radio. So while you're on the FM band, press the multifunction control and enter the function menu. Now spin the dial to the Seek mode. Seek mode offers two settings. You can tune all available radio stations, that would be analog and digital, or you can choose to tune just HD radio stations. Here, let's set it up to tune just HD radio stations. Okay, now I'll hit the back button and we'll go to the next selection, which is the blend mode. Blend can be set to on or off. And what blend does is automatically blends the analog and digital signals together. So if you drive from an area that has a strong digital signal and you're tuning HD, but the HD signal becomes weak, the radio will automatically switch to the analog mode. And if you're listening to an analog signal and as you're driving along the HD radio signal becomes available and strong, the radio will automatically switch to the HD signal. Most people keep the blend mode turned on all the time. Let's take a look at the display on Pioneer's DEH-33HD when we're listening to an HD radio broadcast. Right here, we're on FM band number 1, and we are on the on 92.3's digital signal number 1. And one of the features of HD radio is to be able to have multicast going on the same radio station. So we have 92.3, and this is broadcast number 1. If we hit the arrow over, we go to 92.3, broadcast number 2. Which is the same radio station, possibly broadcasting entirely different content. Some stations only have one digital stream, but others have many. To see other information that's being broadcast through HD radio, press the Go Back button and you'll see the other information, including the name of the radio station, the name of the song, the name of the artist. Now remember, HD radio also works great on AM radio stations. So let's go over to the AM dial and see what we have. Here we're on FM number 1. By pressing the band button, I'll go to FM 2, FM 3, and then over to AM. As you can see, we're on AM, and this is a digital broadcast. So if I hit the arrow back key, I'll get some information about the broadcast. It's KSPN. Here's the name of the radio station and the name of the broadcast. It's worth noting that stations that multicast may have 1 or 2 or 3 additional channels inside that radio station. So here we have digital number 1 and we have digital number 2. Now if I hit the arrow to the right again, I'm going to leave 92.3. Once I've left 92.3, if I try to go back, I don't go to 92.3 in the second digital stream. I go back to the beginning of 92.3 with digital number 1.